Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will talk about types of clouds. These are the some types of clouds. First one is sales cloud, another is service cloud, marketing cloud, app cloud, data.com cloud, and last one is collaboration cloud. Let's see one by one. First one is Sales Cloud. What is meant by Sales Cloud? By using Sales Cloud, we can automate all the processes followed during the sales of our products or services. For example, object like account, contact, lead, opportunity are the Sales Cloud. After that, second one is the Service Cloud. By using Service Cloud, we can automate all the business processes following upon giving the services to the customers. For example, feedback suggestions are the Service Cloud. Third one is the Marketing Cloud. By using Marketing Cloud, we can automate campaign management, lead management, contract management, and order management. After that, next one is the App Cloud. By using App Cloud, we can build our custom application. Salesforce provides two features of App Cloud. First one is Force.com platform and another is database.com. First one is Force.com platform. By using Force.com, we can customize the existing Salesforce CRM application. We can extend the Salesforce CRM functionality and we can build the custom application. Force.com offers two programming languages. First one is Apex programming and another is Visual Force programming. Apex programming means it is the cloud-based object-oriented programming used to build the custom business logic. And second one is the Visual Force programming. Visual Force programming is the web development framework used to design attractive and dynamic user interfaces. And second one is the database.com. It is customized database of Salesforce where the actual objects and records will get resides in database. Next one is data.com. By using data.com, we can purchase the required leads and data.com contains two objects. First one is data cloud contact, which is contain the people information like first name, last name, email, phone, and second one is the data cloud company. Data cloud company contain the organization information. After that, next type of cloud is collaboration cloud. By using this feature, we can provide the internal communication between various employees in our organization. These are the different types of clouds. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.